Hey everyone, my name is Vince. Welcome back to another scam busting video. Guys, today we are covering Puppy Town yet again. My video here today is to actually prove to you all and explain to you all why exactly Puppy Town is without a doubt the biggest scam going around on the Play Store market as we speak. Now, we all know about Puppy Town. Everyone has pretty much heard about this app. If you're into the whole make money online situation on, on apps, let's be real. We all want to make money, right? All of us want to make money, and we want to make it as easy as possible. That's just not a joke. That's just human nature. Who wants to, who actually wants to work hard for money here, guys, okay? In the sense of, if you had the opportunity to play apps, right, and make money, why wouldn't you do it? You have to be silly not to, okay? But I have a problem here. We have an app, right? This app called Puppy Town is claiming that you can earn real-life money by merging dogs together, okay? Now, let's just think about this concept. Do you really think that there's going to be a developer out there, right, that's going to give you real-life money just to merge some dogs together, guys? Like, I've had so many people ask me why this is a scam or how is this a scam. Dude, I've also had people on the other side of the fence as well that have actually completed the app, right? Got all the way to the end. They actually sat and tried to grind their way up to the minimum cash out recommended here, which is $100. This app wants you to save up $100, everyone, okay, before you can cash out. And then guess what happens? They never get the money. Like, they literally never ever get the cash, dude. Do you know how insane that is, everyone? If you check the Play Store reviews, and I have to watch another ad. This is another problem I have with this app as well, just constant spamming of ads. Now, if you watch the review, or read the reviews on the Play Store of Puppy Town, everyone, you'll see you will not make any money off this app, bro. It's literally one of the craziest scams going around. They promise you real-life rewards, right, to merge dogs together. Can you understand how this works and why this would be a scam, everyone? The concept is too good to be true, and you know how it goes. If something sounds too good to be true, more than likely, it literally is too good to be true. Another thing is, what frustrates me, what kills me about Puppy Town, everyone, is that it will make you watch so many ads to do the most basic gameplay things on the app. Like, you think, right, do you really want to sit here all day? And I think I just got a reward there. Let me just check my rewards. There are tasks, which are like the quests in the game, which is quite nice. But yeah, would you want to sit here all day tapping on dogs? Can you see at the bottom of the screen how I'm tapping here, everyone? Look what I'm doing, and then you'd have to merge those dogs together as well. I just had to watch an ad to use the auto merge function, which is fine. Look, I understand developers need to make money, okay? But when you start offering real life prizes that you are never, ever going to get, dude, do you really think you're going to get a Samsung S20 Plus or a HP EliteBook Pro or whatever they are? A 55-inch Sony flat screen TV? A Fitbit? A Nintendo Switch? A mini speaker, electronic scale, a juicer, or 20,000 coins, apparently. Collect 10 puzzle pieces and you can redeem 20,000 coins, even though that looks like cash. So that could be, what, $20,000 cash? I don't think so. Seriously, app, like, I don't understand, dude. Why do these applications have to try and just trick you? They just try and trick you into playing their apps, dude. That's all this is. And they're making a killing, by the way. I can almost guarantee you right now, Puppy Town developers are making an absolute killing of donkeys, such as myself and you, playing this app, dude. That's what we turned into. We're just donkeys to them, dude. You have to remember. I wish someone at Google actually woke up, bro, and decided one day, hang on, here at Google, we don't tolerate apps that lie about paying out their players. Do you know what I mean? We don't endorse advertising to younger kids so they play their trashy apps, you know? Because this ad, that Puppy Town ad is everywhere, dude. And so many people know about Puppy Town and the concept of winning real life money. I've had people message me telling me that they're handicapped, literally at home. They're stuck at home trying to earn real life money. Or their families are sick at home. And they're trying to earn money for their sick families, dude. And they can't. They can't make any money off these apps, bro. They're not getting paid out. Do you know how sad that makes me as a person, dude? And I'm just an average guy just playing some apps on my YouTube channel. I could not imagine sitting here for hours or weeks on end trying to grind up enough money to cash out on Puppy Town. It would And then not to get rewarded, by the way. It would devastate me to my core, bro. I'm angry because the whole thing is just one big fix. It devastates me. It really does. Look, I have to unlock the next dog. I have to watch another ad. It's just devastating, dude. Like, look at this trash. Look at this filth on my screen right now. Literally, you had a whole bunch of people dragging money into a big bag, and now we're here looking at this. See, when I put ads on my video, guys, that's because I'm hoping to do this as a full-time job one day. So every time you watch the ads, click on the ads, do all that stuff, it does help me, right? It helps any YouTuber. That's how the YouTube system works. Everyone knows that. Now, look, I'm not endorsing you to do anything. I'm just saying, that's how I make money. But these Muppets here, they are forcing you, literally forcing you to play their apps, like, to watch ads. It's just the whole concept of the app is to watch ads. I hope you all understand this, and I hope that you all do not get scammed, bro. How do I get out of this ad? I don't want to ignore the ad. How do I get out of it, dude? Now the X comes up once I click on it. Seriously, I'm so over it. I'm so over it, bro. But yeah, everyone knows how, like, YouTubers get paid, obviously, by the ads, okay? But this right here is just incredible. It's absolutely incredible how these apps literally get away with this stuff. It makes me sad, guys. It makes me sad, and I hope to God that you guys delete this app. If you are still trying to grind on Puppy Town to try and make money on it, please don't, everyone. It's a scam. Puppy Town is a legitimate scam, and it needs to be taken down, but it starts with us, okay? We have to stop playing these apps. They're just not worth it, dude. You're never going to make free PayPal money on this app, ever. It's a joke. It's just an absolute scam. And you know what? To follow up with that, I'm going to be going on a crusade to take down most of these apps, dude. If not take down, then at least expose them for what they are, and that's absolute jokes. We're essentially guinea pigs for these developers to watch advertisements through. Like, for us to watch their ads so they get paid. That's all it is, guys, okay? It's crazy. There's always ad prompts here. Get. Okay, I want to get another kennel, so I have to watch another ad. Oh, man. It's just so annoying. What's this now? What's this app? Another app. Same concept. They're all the same concept, bro. Merge numbers plus. I'm so over it. Look, it's all just a scam. It just is so annoying. It's so annoying. It just hurts me, bro. It hurts me. If it hurts me this bad, I can't imagine the pain you viewers must be going through. In the sense, especially if you've played this app expecting real life money. I feel so bad for you guys, man. Please, just remove it. Just get rid of this app off your phone. Never, ever try Puppy Town again. If anyone has got paid by the developers at Puppy Town, please let me know in the comment section below. And I want to see evidence. I don't want your opinions. I don't want to hear, like, your spam comments. Like, the developers... It's so funny. You can tell when developers are commenting on your videos, by the way, because they get so angry. But yeah, give me your honest opinion. Has anyone actually been paid out by Puppy Town yet? Legitimately? Has anyone won the raffle to enter into to win a free Samsung or a HP Elite book or a Sony 55-inch TV? Because I can guarantee the answer is no. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vince. I'll catch you on the next video. Check out my channel for more scam busting videos. Catch you around.